Dassault Systèmes' 3D experience platform powers our brand applications to become the business operations provider for manufacturers. In the context of the industry renaissance, the world's small and mid-size manufacturers must adopt and optimize new ways of producing and doing business through digital transformation. We must no longer think of industry as a set of means of production, but as a process of value creation. This applies not only to disruptive startups and established corporations, but also to the hundreds of thousands of mainstream manufacturers that produce parts integral to the development of new consumer experiences. With the acquisition of IQMS, Dassault Systèmes gains a wealth of experience and over 1,000 customers across the global automotive, medical, consumer, and industrial manufacturing markets. This allows Dassault Systèmes to serve the world's 250,000 small and mid-sized manufacturers who seek digital transformation to gain efficiency and agility in their day-to-day operations. Utilizing IQMS's extensive manufacturing software product offering, award-winning support and educational services, Dassault Systèmes will fulfill our commitment of delivering a comprehensive manufacturing ERP system built specifically for these mid-market manufacturers.